Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Unity 2D. And for example, you want your game object to move and you created a script for this game object which actually contains only definition of public variables direction, where will your ladybug, your object move, and speed. And we have only one row of scripting here. We're using transform translate function, and with direction multiply with speed, and we save it. After saving, let's go to Unity and let's see how it works. We added this script to your game object already, and let's choose direction -1. For example, we want our game object to go left, and let's see. It works, but the object moves very fast. And the reason why is it like this, because we didn't add here speed multiplied by time delta time. Okay, now everything will be softer because our command works in every frame of our program. So in 1 second you will have a lot of frames, a lot of movements, and in this way everything will be much softer. Okay, let's save it and let's see how it will work. Yeah, we see multiplying on time delta time is added here, and let's see now. Yeah, it's much better. That's it. Thank you. Bye.